Welcome! If you've been looking for a simple way to keep your direct messages private on X by hiding their notifications from your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk a step-by-step through the updated process so you can protect your privacy and make sure no one gets a peek at your messages when your phone lights up. Let's get started. First, head over to your phone's settings. This is where you'll be able to control all the different permissions and notifications for the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the list of apps, look for X and tap on it. This will open all of the settings that are specific to the X app. Once you're inside the app settings, select Notifications. This is the section where you'll find all the categories of alerts that X can send to your phone. Now, tap on Notification Categories. Here, you'll see different options that separate things like mentions, likes, and of course, direct messages. Go ahead and tap on Direct Messages. This is where you'll find the exact settings that control how your message notifications appear. From there, look for the option called Lock Screen. Tap on it and then choose Don't Show Notifications. By doing this, your direct message alerts will no longer pop up on your lock screen. Instead, they'll stay private until you actually unlock your phone and open the app. And that's it. You've now successfully hidden your direct message notifications from the lock screen in the X app. This small adjustment makes a big difference in protecting your privacy. Whether you're concerned about personal messages showing up at the wrong time or just prefer a cleaner lock screen, this method is quick, easy, and effective. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to apply it right away and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your conversations stay private until you're ready to view them. Thanks for following along.